Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And friends, in this session I am going to share with you how you can use tkinter GUI app for face recognition, also face detection on Raspberry Pi 4, Raspberry OS Bullseye 64-bit version. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and let's get started. So friends, for that first you need to install latest opencv on Raspberry OS Bullseye 64-bit version. This is what Bullseye 64-bit version. Okay, so I will mention video link, watch video and install latest opencv version on Bullseye. Now for today's session, as I mentioned, I have created here a repository, and the repository name is tkinter app rpi4. I will mention link, open link inside the browser. Then go to the code. As we always do, we are going to simply clone our repository. Copy the link and open terminal, run the command git clone and paste a link and just hit enter. It will clone our repository. Now we have our repository. Now first what we want to do, we want to create a folder inside our repository. So go to the file manager. This is what our repository which we clone, tkinter app rpi4. And here we have two Python files. One is basically dataload.py. It will capture our images. So we want to save our images inside the folder. So here we want to create a folder. So just create folder and mention any name. So I'm going to say like this way, data, let's say my data. This is what our folder. And inside this folder we are going to capture all our images which we want to recognize. Okay, so we have now two scripts. So we are going to simply open these scripts with the help of Python ID, Tony Python ID. So go to the menu, programming, Tony Python ID, then file, open, and our folder which is tkinter app, and our folder tkinter app rpi4. So dataload.py, this is what our first script for uploading the images inside our folder. Okay, so our folder name is what? Our folder name is my data. So just click on the folder and copy the path, because we want to mention the path inside our script. Okay, so like this way, this is what our full path for my data folder. So copy the path from here, copy it, and inside dataload.py we have here a path for saving images, a crop images of our face. So here we need to simply remove this path. Okay, remove only from images, just delete and just press Ctrl V. Okay, do not delete these things, name plus GPG. Okay, so just delete the path of our folder, by default folder, and we need to mention our new folder path which we create. So our new folder path is /home/pi tkinter app rpi4, and the my data folder is our folder, and just mention here, after that we need to mention slash. That's it. Then here also in update data we need to mention same folder. So just copy it from here, copy it, and here also we need to simply remove our old path and press Ctrl V. Simple. That's it. Now we have done. Now we want to simply save, and we are going to run our code. It will start our USB web camera which I have connected with the Raspberry Pi 4. Of course you can use a Raspberry Pi 4 camera module also. Okay, so I have connected the web camera with the Raspberry Pi 4. Now this script, as I mentioned, this script basically capture my face, a crop face images inside our my data folder. Okay, so let's just start our code. So friends, as you can see, it started my webcam, and this is what our app. Okay, this is what our window. As you can see, this is the live frame. Now here we need to mention a person name. So right now my name is Sanket, and then we need to click on snapshot. It will capture my face image. So just click on snapshot. As you can see, we have captured our image. So if I open my data folder, here it is. As you can see, we have image. This is what my image which we just click, or we can say which we just capture. As you can see, this is the crop image of my face. Okay, simple. Now what we want to do, we want to update our data. So just click on update button, and then you will see we have add a new person name, which is a Sanket. This is what my name. Okay, so then what we want to do, if we want to upload another person photo, so let's say here I have here Tom Cruise photo. Okay, so let me open my web camera. So let me open my mobile, and friends, as you can see, we have here Tom Cruise photo. So friends, as you can see, I have captured a Tom Cruise photo. Now simple, I have mentioned the name, then click on snapshot, it will capture the person name. Now simply click on update, and as you can see, we have here now a new name, which is Tom Cruise. Okay, so now simply we have done with data. Now simply click on quit. That's it. Now we are going to open our main script. Okay, so our main script is basically main.py in same folder. Go to the main.py, click on OK. Okay, now we are ready. Now simply we are going to, here also we need to change the path of our images. Okay, this is the path. Basically when I have working with the script, I have mentioned the path, but right now the script is inside our repository, so I need to mention, of course we need to mention our repository path and our new folder path. So here it is. As you can see, this is what the path for old folder. So simply what I am going to do, I am going to delete this path and just press Ctrl V. Okay, now this is what our new path for images. Okay, so just save, and if I scroll down, so this is only path. Okay, so now we are ready. We change the path for images. Now simply we are going to run our main.py. So click on main.py. So friends, as you can see, it started our frame, but right now the frame is freeze. Okay, so we need to simply click here on play button, and as you can see, now frame is started. Okay, now we have here face detection module, we have here face reco module and quit. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we have play the video without any detection. Now simply click on stop. Okay, now we need to click on face detect, and as you can see, it's detecting my face. There is a rectangle. So if I show here another person image, so right now we have here Tom Cruise, and as you can see, it's detected my face also the Tom Cruise. Okay, so this is what the face detection. So we are done with face detection. Now simply click on stop. Now we want to start our face recognition program. So just click on face recognition program, and as you can see, it's recognized my face and there is a name Sanket. And if I show here a Tom Cruise photo, and as you can see, it's detected also Tom Cruise, as you can see here. Okay, so again, if you want to stop all these things, just click on stop. It will freeze the frame. Now simply play, it will start a normal frame. Okay, there is no face detection, face reco. If you want to start again face detection, just first you need to click on stop, then click on face detect, then it will start face detection. If you want to start face recognition program, first you need to click on stop, then click on face recognition program. It will recognize the face, because we save the Tom Cruise data, also we save my own face image. Okay, now we want to quit, so simply click on quit. That's it. It will close all apps. Simple. So this is how you can use a tkinter simple GUI app for recognizing the face, also face detection. Okay, so I have mentioned the link, I have mentioned the GitHub link inside my description box. So this is for today. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.